अभिराम गुणाकर दाशरथे जगदेक धनुर्धर धीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भव देव दया जलधे. Om Namo Venkateshaya. From the melody of Krishna's flute, we now step into the courage of Rama's stride. Venkatesha is both the joy of Vrindavan and the protector of Ayodhya. Today's verse sings his valor, his virtue, and his boundless mercy. This verse gathers all his identities as prince, as warrior, lord, friend into one prayer. Now let's go into the line by line meaning of this shloka. Abhirama Gunakara Dasharathe, charming and full of virtues, the son of Dasharatha, Jagadeka Dhanurdhara Dhiramate, the one true bowman of the world, courageous and calm in thought. Raghunayaka Rama Ramesha Vibho, O Rama, leader of the Raghu clan, beloved of Lakshmi, all-powerful one. Varado Bhavadeva Daya Jalade, O Lord, ocean of compassion, become the giver of boons. Now let's repeat this shloka twice like a footstep of Rama through the forest. Abhirama Gunakara Dasharathe Jagadeka Dhanurdhara Dhiramate, Raghunayaka Rama Ramesha Vibho Varado Bhavadeva Daya Jalade. Abhirama Gunakara Dasharathe Jagadeka Dhanurdhara Dhiramate, Raghunayaka Rama Ramesha Vibho Varado Bhavadeva Daya Jalade. 6 petals have unfolded. Form, surrender, forgiveness, generosity, playfulness, and now protection. We've met the divine in every mood, and in each one we see love. Shall we chant all the 6 shlokas now? Let your voice gather what your heart has received. Krishna's joy, Rama's courage, and Venkatesha's grace. Kamala kuchachuchuka kunkumato niyata runita tulanilatano, Kamalayatalochana lokapate vijayi bhava venkatashilapate, Sachaturmukha Shanmukha Panchamukha Pramukhakila Daivata Maulimane, Sharanagata Vatsala Saranide Paripalaya Mam Vrishashailapate, Ativelataya Tava Durvishahairanu Kritai Taparadashatai, Bharitam Tvaritam Vrishashailapate Paraya Kripaya Paripahi Hare, Ati Venkatashayla Mudaramate Janata Bhimata Dikadannaratat, Paradevataya Gatitan Nigamai Kamaladayitanna Parankalaye, Kalavenurava Vashagopavadhu Shatakoti Vritat Smarakoti Samat, प्रतिवल्लभिकाभिमतात्सुखदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परङ्कलये अभिरामगुणाकरदाशरते जगदेकदनुर्धरधीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दया जलदे. He is Rama with his bow. He is Krishna with his flute. He is Venkatesha, still, silent, present on the hill. Tomorrow we see Sita beside him and the soft moonlight of devotion. May we walk through the day with steady steps and a kind heart. May Rama's strength and compassion be our guide. Wishing you peace, courage, and the quiet smile of Dharma fulfilled. Om Namo Venkateshaya.